Hello and welcome to Yoga for Athletes, a class where we will stretch your tight muscles. Let's get started in child's pose. Sink your hips over your heels. Press your forehead down into your mat. Extend your arms long on the mat. Relax your upper body. Begin to scan your body to notice any areas where you're holding tension. Notice if you're tensing in the shoulders, your side body, your hips, your legs. Take a couple moments for some deep breaths to center yourself before we start to work into these major muscle groups to find some relief. Nice slow inhale through your nose, full exhale through your nose or your mouth. Inhale, come to all fours, tabletop. Take a big inhale. On the exhale, tuck your toes, send your hips up to the sky. Allow your head to fall forward. Bend one knee deeply and then the other. Maybe swaying your hips over to one side and then the other. Take an extra moment to hold if anything feels good, if you're working into tension in any spots that you need it. Continue to breathe through every movement. Take a moment to settle in. Extend your arms long. Allow your head to fall forward. Draw energy through the backs of your legs so your heels reach down towards your mat. They don't have to touch. Inhale, look forward between your thumbs. Exhale, travel to the top of your mat. Forward fold. Deep bend in your knees. Grab for opposite elbow. Let your head hang heavy. Ragdoll pose. Add a generous bend in your knees and then press through your feet. Lift your hips up. Sway side to side if that feels good in your body. Inhale. Exhale, release your hands down to the mat. Inhale, bring your hands to your shins and the crown of your head forward for halfway lift. Long, flat back. Breathe in. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sweep your arms up to frame your ears, extended mountain pose. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, lift your arms up. Circle your left hand around your right hand. Create length in your body on the inhale. Exhale, stretch to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Lengthen up. Exhale, take your left hand around your right wrist. Big side body stretch to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, circle your hands to your low back, fingers point down. Inhale, create length, puff up your chest. Exhale, draw your elbows back, your chest, your heart up. Lift your chin, look up. Inhale. Exhale, go deeper. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, draw your hands down the backs of your legs, fold forward. Nice soft bend in your knees. Clasp your hands behind your low back. Draw your knuckles to the sky for ragdoll with a shoulder rinse. Allow your knuckles to fall up and over behind your head, releasing tension from your shoulders, letting your head hang heavy. Inhale, exhale, release. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, step your left foot back and your right leg will take a deep 90-degree bend, runner's lunge. Come up to tented fingers, hands frame your foot, look forward. Let your hips be heavy, inhale. Exhale, lower your back knee down to the mat for a low lunge. Keep your chest lifted, your chin up. Inhale, lift your arms up to frame your ears. Reach long through your fingers, lift your chin, look up. Inhale, exhale, lower your hands. Straighten your front leg, flex your toes in your right leg, bow your head forward for half splits. Some deep full breaths here. Send your hips back towards your heels. Bring your forehead down towards your shins. Feel the back of your leg, your hamstrings start to light up. Inhale, shift forward to low lunge, rebend your right knee. Exhale, big step forward into a forward fold. And switch it out to the other side. Step your right foot back. Deep bend in your left knee, runner's lunge. Hands frame your foot with tented fingers. You can rock forward and back on your back foot if that helps bring some movement and loosens up the muscles in your body. Inhale. Exhale, lower your back knee. Inhale, lift your torso up, lift your arms up to frame your ears, low lunge. Exhale, sink your hips low if you want more intensity in your hips. Make sure your front knee is over your front ankle. Keep your torso lifted. Inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down to frame your foot, bow your head forward, straighten your front leg, send your hips back. Half splits. For more intensity, flex your front toes, draw your forehead down towards your shin. Breathe. And release. Step your foot forward, come to a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Step one foot back, and then the other. Inhale, high plank, shoulders over wrists. Exhale, slowly bring your body down to the earth. Untuck your toes. Let your whole body rest down on the mat. Inhale, lift your chin, your chest up. Cobra. Stretch your back. Activate your back muscles. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, once again, lift your chin, your chest a little higher this time. Exhale, lower down, tuck your toes. Send your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right toes up. Exhale, send your right foot forward and through between your hands. Heel toe your right foot outside your right hand, so it's on the outer edge of your mat. Lizard lunge. Drop your back knee down, untuck your back toes, keep your chest lifted here. Breathe in, sink your hips low. Take your right hand to your right thigh, apply a little bit of pressure to your right thigh, open your chest to the right. Lizard twist. Inhale, bring your right arm up and back so it's parallel to the floor. Bend your back knee. See if you can capture your foot in your hand. Press through your left hand. Open your chest to the right. If you want more in your hips, let your hips be super heavy. If you want more in your back quad, draw your heel in towards your seat. Inhale. Exhale, release. Place your hand back down. Heel toe your right foot back to center. Tuck your back toes. Come back up to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step your left foot forward and through between your hands, and heel toe your left foot to the outer edge of your mat. Lizard lunge on the left. Lower your back knee down to the mat. Bow your head forward. Come to your forearms if that's available to you. Take a couple breaths here, allowing your hips to be heavy, breathing into the sensations, allowing things to open up. Inhale, come to your hands if you're down on your forearms. Place your left hand on your left thigh, fingers point inward. Turn your torso to the left for lizard twist. Extend your left arm long, reach to the horizon behind you, parallel to the floor. If you want to work into your back quad, bend your back knee. See if you can grab the top of your back foot, pull your chest open. If you have your foot in hand, draw your heel towards your seat. Inhale. Exhale, release. Return to tabletop. Inhale, plank pose. Exhale, send your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward between your thumbs. Exhale, travel to the top. Inhale, rise up to standing. Slightly turn your toes out and your heels in. Fold forward. And then sink your hips low. Yogi Squat. Option to take blocks, books, or a pillow under your hips for more support here for your hips. Keep your hands down on the mat for support. If you feel balanced and open enough in your hips, bring your hands to your heart. Hook your elbows on the insides of your knees. Wherever you are, option for a twist. Extend one arm long to the floor and lift the opposite arm straight up to the sky. Expand across your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out, release. Hands come to heart center. And switch it out. Extend the other arm long. Reach the opposite arm straight overhead. Open your chest. Send your eyes up. Look up. Exhale, place your hands on the floor. Take a really long stance. Stand up. Parallel your feet to the front and back edges of your mat. Hands to your hips. Wide-legged forward fold. Imagine your hips are a hinge. Inhale. Exhale. Lower down with a long flat back. Bring your hands down. Bring the crown of your head down to the floor. See if you can bring your head down to the floor. Even if it doesn't reach, move your body in that direction. If you want to get your head lower, take a wider stance. Allow gravity to take hold here, bringing your torso down as your hips stay lifted, legs are straight and strong. Inhale, take your hands to your low back. Clasp your hands together, extend your arms, allow them to fall back behind your head for a shoulder release. Full inhale, full exhale. Another full inhale and a full exhale. Release your clasp, release your hands back down to the floor, and then start to bend into one knee and then the other. Work into your inner thighs. Take your own pace here. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend one knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend the other knee. Take a really deep bend. Sink your hips low for Skandasana. Explore both sides. Sending your hips low. Just see what happens. Inhale. Exhale. Wide-legged forward fold. Take one hand directly under your face. Extend the other arm straight up to the sky, creating a twist and creating one long vertical line from the hand on the floor to the hand that's reaching overhead. Exhale, release, switch sides. Take the other hand down to the floor. Extend your top arm straight up to the sky, creating that nice long vertical line of energy. Inhale. Exhale, release. Sit down. Extend your right leg long to the side. Bend your left knee. Place your left foot on your right inner thigh. Extend your arms parallel to the floor. Breath in. Exhale. Side body stretch. Reach up and over your extended leg. Top arms reaching up and over towards your foot. Keep your left hip anchored down to the mat. Inhale, release, rise up. Exhale, turn your shoulders so they're square over your right leg, your extended leg. Reach your arms overhead, breath in. Exhale, fold over your leg. Draw your forehead down to your knee. You can allow a subtle bend in your knee, a soft rounding in your spine. Inhale, roll your torso up. Place your hands behind your hips. Extend your left leg out long. Bring your right foot to your left inner thigh. Inhale, reach your arms in opposite directions. Exhale, left hand down to your leg. Right arm sweeps up and over. Side body stretch. Right hip stays anchored to the floor. As that arm reaches up, reach both hands towards your foot. Side body stretch. And release. Inhale, rise up. Turn your torso square over your left leg. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale, fold over your leg. Inhale, release. Bend both knees. Stamp your feet in front of your hips. Hands behind your hips. And knock your knees off to one side and then the other. Just let your body go here, windshield wipers with your knees. Good, then stamp your feet down about the width of your hips. Inhale, exhale, recline onto your back. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Turn your right knee off to the right. Figure four, grab for your shin and pull your legs in close to your body. Inhale, exhale, lower your legs down, draw your right foot down toward the ground for a twist. You can also stack one leg on top of the other at a 90-degree angle. Allow your body to be heavy into the floor here and release. Inhale back to center. Bend your right knee, stamp your foot on the floor, and then bend your left leg, cross your ankle to a figure 4 shape. Grab your right shin, pull your legs in towards your body for a figure 4 stretch. Exhale, lower your legs. Allow your knees to fall off to the right. Either stamp your left foot down on the mat or stack your legs one on top of the other for spinal twist. Turn your head to the left. Melt your body and your weight into the floor. Let it go. Inhale, return to center. Bend your knees and draw your thighs into your chest, forehead to knee. And relax down. Extend your left leg long. Take your right leg straight up to the sky. Clasp your hand behind your leg, either on your thigh, or walk your hand up to your calf. Single leg stretch. Pull your leg into your body. Breathe here. You can have a soft bend in your right knee, or if you want more, extend your leg, flex your foot. Release the pressure on your leg. And then keeping your right hand on your right leg, gently allow your leg to fall off to the right, opening your hip. And release. Inhale your leg back to center. Give it a little squeeze. Take a deep bend in your knee. Clasp your hands around your foot for half happy baby. If this is too intense, you can also grab hold of your calf or your thigh. Release. Other side. Extend your left leg straight up to the sky. Clasp your hands behind your left thigh or walk them up to your calf. Pull your leg into your body. Have a soft bend in your knee. And again, if you want more, breathe. Again, if you want more, straighten your left leg and flex your toes. And release the pressure on your leg. Allow your left leg to fall off to the left. Provide support for your left leg. Inhale your leg back up to center. Exhale, take a deep bend in your left knee for half happy baby. Draw your left knee toward your armpit. And either grab for your hamstring, your calf, or your foot. Some deep, full breaths. Inhale. Exhale, bend both knees into your chest. Then grab for the outer edges of both feet for a full happy baby. Rock side to side on your low back. Maybe even kick out one leg and then the other. Either stay in happy baby or extend both legs along to the side for a straddle. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest.